Hey there, Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, all this week on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm showing how to draw pictograms from the upcoming Pyeongchang Games, the Winter Games that are coming up in Korea, in South Korea, in about 10 days' time. So I thought it'd be fun just to show how to draw those pictograms. But while I've been doing the research, I found out quite how these pictograms have been designed, and it's really quite clever. Let me show you how. Well, as I was looking things up, I came across this sheet here, and well, I don't speak Korean, but I can work out what's going on. And can you see there's that design in the middle there, and the sort of pink bits for the upper body and blue for the legs and the skis. But then look across to the left, and you'll see these are kind of elements of the typeface, the Korean alphabet. And it's been so cleverly put together. They've taken all these kind of various elements and put them together. And then the black circles, well, there's the head is the big one, of course. And the other smaller circles represent the shoulder and the knees, basically. And so there's one big curve represents the body right down to the knee. And then the whole kind of arm is a curve there. And then you've got the sticks, and it's all very cleverly put together. And if you've ever done any animation, then you'll know also that that is sort of really easy to animate. So I'm sure the TV people are very happy to grab hold of these little symbols and animate them and doing interesting things with them. So I'm quite impressed with what they've done there. And it's really interesting by actually sort of getting in there and drawing things. You kind of learn stuff from really great designers. A little more research led me to this picture on Google Images. And again, I don't speak Korean, but this is an international language, and I can work out exactly what's going on here. And they're using exactly the same design, but this is for the Paralympics. And you just sort of, this is obviously a disabled one-legged skier, and so they make it a one-legged skier, and it works absolutely beautifully. And it's exactly the same design being used for both Olympics. Very, very clever. Beautifully executed. So there you are. I hope that enlightened you a little bit. And if you want to, click over here and go and see one of the Draw Stuff Real Easy videos that I'm doing this week to see how they are actually put together, and maybe have a go at drawing one yourself. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.